to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be telling you why the ReDragon Kuruma is probably the best budget gaming keyboard you can get. Now, I've built custom keyboards, right? But if you need a starter custom keyboard, like to get going, get into the hobby, this has hot swappable. So if you want to try out like blacks or reds, comes with blue switches, which I mean they're alright, but like if you want to swap them out, put some new keycaps on, this would be a good keyboard to start with, and it's not for a bad price. Now the ReDragon Kuruma, also known as ReDragon k552, I have it in white, but they also sell it in a red, black, and they also have it with blue switches or red switches. I have the blue one right here. Now, if you can get over the fact that the blue switches are kind of clicky, it should all be good. And if you like blue switches, it should be a great keyboard for you. Now, do I recommend this keyboard for you guys? Absolutely. If you're on a budget and you want to just start getting into the keyboard culture, start gaming too, it's a good option. I know that's something that's not Razer, or if you don't want a keypad or anything, 10 keyless, which is really cool. This keyboard sadly does not have macros though, but it does have function keys that work great with controlling media, fast forward, pause, up, turn up the volume, mute, open the music player. So if you need that stuff, it works great. I've had this board for about 5 years. Still looks great. RGB's nice and bright. The keys, they could use a little cleanup, but the keyboard comes with these blue Otemu switches. At this price, you're not going to get any Razer or Cherry kind of switches, but for the price, these key switches are really good for what you get. Now, one of the reasons I bought this keyboard was so that I didn't have to install any software to control the RGB program. I wanted something built in, and that's what this provides. It provides built-in RGB control with the function key and the insert home delete page up and all that. You can control, there's effects and stuff like that, which is really good, especially if you don't want to download software. Now guys, I'm about to start the typing test for you guys, so make sure you guys listen well, turn that volume up so you can hear those amazing blue switches. Let's get right to it. I fully recommend this keyboard. So if you need a keyboard on a budget for gaming, and if you like really loud blue clicky switches, or if you can find one with reds, you should get it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like. Have a good day.